ATF601 Plus. Precision every time. Dual tanks, 3,500 watts. Auto detection. Either way, it knows. Preheated every drop. Universal adapters. Plug in. Any car, any transmission. Detergent flush. From the first gear to the last. Equal exchange. Old out, new in. One touch, full control. Wireless, from anywhere. Service report, printed. ATF601 Plus. Precision every time.